It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. You have responsibilities, that's why you have an Odyssey. You like to have fun, that's why you drive a Honda. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, external memory control, smartphone wireless charging, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Hurry in today for a test drive.
When you buy from us, you become part of the Hersons Auto Group family. Stop in today on S Frederick Rd in Rockville, Maryland.